Hey, what's good, y'all? My name is Proxy Sales, bro, and today in this video, I'm finna show y'all my 5 best money-making methods in 2024, bro. So let's get it. First thing, though, is I want to apologize for being gone for a minute. I've been having to deal with some, like, personal stuff and being with my family and shit like that, so I hope y'all understand, bro. Now, these are my personal methods. If you don't know how to do them, then you do need to learn them, and, you know, you can hit me up at Proxy Sales on Telegram, by the way. But, hey, I hope y'all enjoy. Let's get into it. By the way, these are in no specific order, but my number one, bro, is cashing checks. Now, what I mean by this is getting that payment from your job. Y'all know what I'm really talking about. Y'all know. I know why y'all are here, bro. Stop lying to me. Y'all know this ain't from no job. Yeah, it is. I mean, oh shit. Number 2, use cheesecakes. Y'all know what a cheesecake is, man. Just look at the letters. Cheesecake. But this is just the old method, you know, buy and resell, you know, stuff like that, bro. Now, a lot of people might think that's dead, but bro, if you really know what you're doing, you know that it ain't dead. You can make a full-time living off doing that. If you really know how to punch, you feel me, then you ain't gonna work. Number 3, backdoors, bro. What a backdoor is not a method. A method is something that could work, might not work. A backdoor is almost guaranteed to get you money, so you need to hop on the wave of these by hitting my Telegram at Proxy Sales. Because if you buy a backdoor, like let's say Shopify, you get every new backdoor for free because you're gonna be in the chat, so it's gonna drop. So why not, bro? Number 4 is Lankies, bro. Y'all see what it says by Lankies? Basically, these are auto link Lankies. You know what those are, bro. They auto link to whatever you're trying to hook them to. You know, like a website. Yeah, not like PayPal. Number 5, bro, is banks. Banks, bro, like if you know what I'm talking about, you know how to make money, bro. Like it's great, you know, interest and everything like that. Interest. Except you just get a 100% return if you feeling what I'm stepping on. But hey, bro, I got a secret tip for y'all, bro. Number 6, you know. So let's see number 6 or
Hitting up at Proxy Sales on Telegram will get you a lot of money.
shit, but hey, I hope I could help some of y'all. I know it's a little bit vague like always, but y'all know how I do. I gotta keep my business going, you feel me? But hey, y'all, I've been Proxy Sales. I'll see you guys in my Telegram chat. Bye-bye.